Hi, my name is Sarah Salinas, and today I'm going to be speaking about why college should be free. The cost of college is rising even faster than inflation. In the U.S., many students around the world face financial constraints when it comes to attending college because education is such a vital part of life. There are many reasons why college should be free. My number one reasoning is that it improves society. When more people are educated, it makes it easier for the society to improve. When everyone is on the same level of education, they all get a better understanding of the economy and why and what we need to do to continue to improve in our country. Also, when more people are educated, it makes more people eligible for more jobs. This means more people will be working, which could help lessen the wealth gap between the upper, middle, and lower class. Another reason I believe college should be free is because it boosts the economy. Most students graduate with a massive amount of debt. For example, in the US, the average student debt per person is $31,172. When students graduate with debt, they will likely continue to add to their debt with interest. On the other hand, if people were to graduate without debt, that could fast track their ability to earn, save, and spend. This helps to stimulate the economy. Furthermore, the fear of being in debt can cause students to avoid school entirely because affordability interferes with education. A lot of people are willing to settle that their education at a lower level of education, such as people attending community college due to the fact they can afford it, other than an expensive university. A lot of the smartest people in the world grew up in the poor environments and low income households. If everyone had an equal opportunity to attend school, then everyone would have the chance to go to school. When students do not have to worry about money, they focus better on their studies. Countries that offer free college include Germany, Austria, Finland. I don't know how to say it. I think it's ZZEC. It's CZECH. Republic, France, and Spain. Some students, parents, and even educators say that it is morally wrong for a child to spend their entire life going to public school for free and then turning around and having them pay for college. A few reasons people are against free college tuition is student loan defaults will increase, completion rates will decrease, property taxes will increase, persistence among college students will decrease. Private Private colleges will suffer enrollment declines and financial hardships. Free college does not address occupational shortages, so college should be free because it causes more focus on education. Most careers require a college degree and provide new opportunities for children. If college was free, students might have more freedom to choose a major they enjoy. A lot of times, college students go to school for something they know they can afford and isn't in a crazy price range. The truth behind this is told to be said that this is how our government is making money off of us. If college was to become free, taxes would indeed rise. Another reason people agree that college students should pay for classes is because it gets you ready for life and all of your finances. College loans are often the first major financial dealing that people work with. Paying these debts off is in a timely manner will prove you know how to budget your money. Another reasoning that it is against free college is because just like in high school, students take their education for granted that college students will also. Free tuition is needed now in 2020. As Caitlin Zaloom exclaimed, I think we're at a watershed moment. It used to be that a high school diploma could allow a young adult to enter into middle class, but we are no longer in that situation. New Mexico has announced a plan to make tuition at all state colleges free for students regardless of family income. Nearly half of the states, including New York, Oregon, and Tennessee, have guaranteed free 2 or 4 year public college to some students, but the New Mexico proposal seems to go further, promising 4 years of tuition, even to students whose families can afford to pay the sticker price. All students must maintain at least a 2.5 grade average. Professor Zaloom says free college education from the University of California, the City Universities of New York, and other public systems, some of the most successful engines of mobility in this country.